on to Colombia. We're looking at a Kimbaya-born 20-year-old, perhaps one of the future greats on planet cycling. Please make some noise for Diego Pescador. A little further down, we go to Portugal this time indeed for a rider born on the Vuelta a España, Nelson. And going back down to South America for a 28-year-old Quito-born, sixth on the Tour of Burgos, former Pan-American road racing champion, two-time national individual time trial champion, and road racing champion, one of the outsiders for the day, Jefferson Chipinda. And people of Figueira, are you ready? Are you ready to welcome, at 30 years of age for Team Movistar, a rider who finished 9th last year in 2024, stage winner on the Giro d'Italia. He finished king of the mountains on the Giro. He won the Movo 2 Daily Challenge, second on the stage of the Vuelta, representing Portugal, Ruben Guerreiro.
É bom regressar a Portugal e correr nos finais de correr.
E vai para casa e sem dúvida um momento agradável e esperemos que hoje esteja bem.
Esperamos bem que sim, tu e o Ruben e todos tenham uma boa sessão. Foi informação! Movistar 2!
Looking at the wealth of Portuguese talent indeed, and the crowd pop that they're getting as well, you get a sense indeed, Luis, that there are true fans of cycling and our beautiful sport out here in Figueira da Foz for the third time in history. And it looks like the weather is getting slightly better as the minutes are going by, so that could be, of course, something to look forward to in the hours to come. As we welcome yet another outfit now, the team of atv.asmara.eritrea. Joining us on deck. Always a team you have to look out for indeed. They've had a tremendous 2024 season. I'm sure they're looking to build on that as well during 2025. It'll be great to see the guys out there in full stride indeed as we get ready to intro the riders representing Germany. Only 20 years of age for this first time contestant. Please welcome Tobias Müller.
Mistura preta, negra.
And we're going to stay with the young guns as we get over to Norway to say hello to Oslo-born national under-23 road racing champion, Halvor Dolben. And back to Germany now with a man indeed. Look at the size of this individual athlete at 27 years of age, a former winner of Get Bubblegum in the under-23 category, discovering the race this year as we welcome Jonas Ruch. We're going over to Italia now, at 29 years of age, a rider who finished third on the Tour of Wallonie, fourth on the Classic San Sebastian. Please welcome Lorenzo Rota. Heading back up to Denmark now to welcome a 31-year-old Copenhagen native, first-time participant on the race. I remember his stage win in Scarborough in the Tour de Yorkshire back in 2019, stage winner on the Tour of Norway and two-time national road racing champion, Alexander Kamp. The coastal area of Scarborough, somewhat similar to what we have out here as we make our way now to, ladies and gentlemen, Eritrea, to say hello to the Asmara-born 24-year-old discovering the race. And what a Tour de France 2024 it was for this individual, three-time stage winner in Torino, Colombia-les-Deux-Églises, Villeneuve-sur-Lot. He won the green jersey on the world's most important and biggest cycling race. Please welcome Figueira da Foz. And we have one more rider to go. Bid number 81 for the day, representing Belgium, 24 years of age, second place last year, third on the stage of the Vuelta, third on the stage in Valencia, third on the stage in Hungary. Maybe today he goes from the third to first. Please welcome Vito. Thank you so much, gentlemen. We'd like to talk with you, of course, but we're unfortunately a little bit short on time. Lewis, that's one thing you cannot create in life. You can do a lot of things, but you can't create time.
E assim vamos apresentando ao as equipas. Estamos na contagem decrescente, já nos faltam poucas. Depois da formação Intermarché-Anti, é a vez agora da formação Team Picnic NL, é a próxima formação a ser apresentada, a marcar presença também nesta terceira edição da Figueira Classic Champions. E naturalmente é mais uma equipa que vem e tem alguns homens que naturalmente podem ter uma palavra a dizer, entre eles Romain Bardet, logicamente Jonan Danenton, mas Daqui a pouco o Mark irá falar em pormenor de todos eles que representam a formação de Picnic.
Team Picnic posted now indeed. They've already signed a victory during the 2025 season at the Surf Coast Classic in Australia. As we review the collective team representing the Netherlands, at 27 years of age, a former winner of the Tour de France. Please welcome moving our way back and staying in the Netherlands, rather, to say hello to a 23-year-old third-time participant on the race. He finished 15th last year. Please welcome a stage winner on the Al Umla Tour in Saudi Arabia, Casper van Hoeden. And a little further down, we're going to welcome a German rider, 36 years of age, a third participant in the contest as well. Ladies and gentlemen, a former winner of Milano-San Remo, a former winner of Paris-Roubaix, of Ghent-Wevelgem. He won the stage of Roubaix on the roads of the Tour de France, 10 stages on the Vuelta a España. Please welcome John. France for the first time here to say hello to a 33-year-old rider discovering the race, second in the Grand Prix Cycliste La Marseillaise. Please welcome Monsieur Romain Combeau. And we work our way now to the Netherlands with a rider who destroyed Planet Television on stage one of the Tour de France 2024 at 24 years of age, now a winner of the Tour of Turkey, winner of a stage in the Lake Shanghai, and of course he was the one who taxied Romain Bardet to a win in Rimini, Italia during the Tour de France over the summer. Please welcome Frank van den Broek. And one rider still to go as we go center stage to welcome a Brioude-born 34-year-old four-time stage winner on the Tour de France. Saint-Jean-de-Maurienne, Saint-Gervais-Mont-Blanc, Périgueux, in Rimini, Italia. Second place and third place on general classification. A former King of the Mountain winner, second in the World Championship, stage winner on the Vuelta. Mesdames et messieurs, Romain Bardet. Well, there it is indeed. Great to sound. Salut Romain, les deux Romain, John, great to see you as well. Indeed, 2015, remember Paris-Roubaix when John Degenkolb went all the way to that finish line in the Velodrome. What a moment in time that was. And to see his face win again in Roubaix in 2018 on the roads of the Tour de France, it's just one of those things. Like he went full circle. He just loves that race. He's actually part of the Amis de Roubaix, which is an association dedicated to the preservation of all the cobble sectors on the world's most grueling race.
Eles são uma equipa que tem nas suas fileiras grandes nomes que já conquistaram grandes vitórias, como o Marc Chavet acabou aqui de ditar, e que naturalmente pode e deve ter também uma palavra a dizer hoje aqui na Figueira da Foz. Mais uma equipa onde pontifica também o português Rui Costa. Será a próxima formação a ser apresentada. EF Education Easy Pass.
Oh, beautiful team indeed. Nice new pink for the 2025 season. We look forward to seeing that one get out there. Pink and black indeed. The awesome combo. Great to see you guys. Good to see you all indeed as they line up on stage and they get ready to reveal the pink around the world like they did in the Trofeo Salinas a few days ago to get their first win of the season. Looking at the make of the outfit indeed, we're going to start on the other side of the stage. Let's say hello to our Danish rider, 30 years of age, a former stage winner on the Tour de France in Bourg-en-Bresse, and a winner of the Ronde van Vlaanderen. Please welcome Casper Asgreen. As we head to Estonia to say hello to a 21-year-old Tartu Boyne Deutschland Tour stage winner. Please welcome Madis Mikkels. A little further down, we're going to go to Denmark now to say hello to a 28-year-old 11th last year on the race stage winner on the Tour of the Basque Country. Please welcome Mikel Honoré. Going up to Great Britain now, he is 28 years of age. He was born in Nottingham. We'll see if we have a new sheriff in town this afternoon. Second on the Settimana Internazionale Coppie Bartali. Please welcome James Shaw. Heading back to Denmark to welcome a 33-year-old rider looking at a win on the Amstel Gold Race, the Het Nieuwsblad, fourth on the Tour of Flanders, former national road racing champion, Mikael Vagren. And this fine gentleman right in front of me here, representing the United States of America, 28 years of age, winner of the Classic à Saint-Sébastien, l'Étoile de Bessèges, le Grand Prix Cycliste La Marseillaise, Nielsen Paulus. And oh wait, I think I forgot someone. Who might be? Oh, there he is. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way down on the stage, at now 38 years of age, the Poavoa de Varazim native, second participant of the race, 4th place last year, 3-time stage winner on the Tour de France, 3-time Tour de Suisse winner, stage winner in the Volta, and champion of the world 2013 in Firenze, Italia. Ladies and gentlemen of Figueira da Foz, are you ready to make some noise?
É agradável e é importante sentir todo este urbano dos portugueses.
Bom dia. Sem dúvida que as emoções são altas, é sempre muito agradável estar aqui em Portugal, sempre que existe a oportunidade. Eu não descarto do meu calendário, por isso é sempre um orgulho estar e agradeço a todos vocês por terem vindo, apoiar tanto a mim como todos os outros portugueses que estão aqui presentes hoje e venham certamente ver uma grande prova, um espetáculo que nos traz aqui a Figueira da Foz e é sempre agradável termos competições como esta e, como eu digo, é sempre muito feliz por estar aqui hoje e vamos ver.
Obrigado, Rui Costa!
Of course, the story of Rui Costa, you all remember this, but in 2013 he won the World Championships in Firenze, Italia. Now, the Grand Départ of the Tour de France 2024 took place in Firenze, Italia. So essentially we had the combination of the world's greatest cycling race with the world's most beautiful city, which is where Rui Costa won his World Championship title in 2013, and it was only a few meters away from the location where we welcome the riders in the month of July. That was a special moment for Rui Costa to go back to that location where he won the championship title so many years ago. What a moment.
É esse um grande momento que vivemos todos nós e o mundo viveu com aquela vitória do Rui Costa no campeonato do mundo. Estamos cada vez mais próximo de ter todas as equipas apresentadas. A próxima está a aproximar-se, é a formação Ineos Grenadier, onde pontificam também grandes nomes como Thomas Garen Thomas, melhor dizendo, Filipe Gana, Tobias Foss. Em suma, é a próxima formação galesa, melhor, britânica, que aqui vai subir daqui a pouco com Garen Thomas, pontificar a ser o primeiro a subir. Ele que já venceu grandes competições mundiais, é o primeiro aqui a estar presente.
Well, there it is, the team of Ineos Grenadiers joining us on deck indeed. I was going to say, good, how are you? 2-time winner of the Bayern Rundfahrt is how I introduced him back in 2014. That was a long time ago. They already have 2 wins for the 2025 season. Indeed, looking at the roster here as we get ready to welcome the man from Cardiff at 38 years of age. What a palmarès over the years. He started off as a 3-time track champion of the world, Beijing and London track Olympic champion, moving to road afterwards, and of course winning Paris-Nice, the Dauphiné, the Tour of Romandie, the Tour de Suisse, and how could you forget, or not forget rather, the win in 2018 on the Tour de France. Please welcome Figueira da Foz, Geraint Thomas! Big names of the international peloton as we stay with a British rider, Leeds native, that's Yorkshire, the north of England, as he discovers Figueira da Foz, a former winner of Get Well Again. Please welcome Samuel Watson. Heading our way down to the United States of America as we welcome a 21-year-old rider, a stage winner in the Istrian Spring Trophy. Please welcome Artem Schmidt. And look at the big guy at the end of the stage out there representing Italy at 28 years of age, first-time participant on the race, a 2-time individual time trial champion of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Filippo Ganna. And looking indeed at the nation of Norway to welcome 27-year-old Tobias Foss. Oh, he's not here. Oh, he's the one missing. As we go to Belgium now to welcome at 29 years of age, a former winner of the Big Bang Tour, 5th on the Dauphiné, Laurens de Plus. And gee, I want to get a quick word with you. Obviously, the fun in the Portuguese sun, hopefully, fingers crossed, starts today.
Yeah, I didn't sign up for rain, mate, but no, looking forward to racing. Always good to come here down to Portugal. So yeah, as you say, hopefully the weather gets better and just a good solid race.
And you've announced it at the end of the season. That's it, done and dusted. You're moving on to the next chapter of your life. What's it like to start a season knowing it's going to be your last?
Oh, I haven't announced it yet, mate. No.
Where'd I get the info then? Am I misinformed?
But no, yeah, I think just make the most of it. Definitely closer to the end than the start. So enjoy again. Number on the back for the boys, and yeah, I guess they can.
Thanks so much, G. Look forward to seeing you guys out there. Thank you so much to the team of Ineos Grenadiers already. Some of the results for 2025. Egan Bernal, a former Tour de France winner 2019, winning the Colombian National Individual Time Trial Championships and Colombian National Road Racing Championships. Already a two-time national champion. Now remember, Bernal won the Tour de France in 2019. He also suffered a tremendous crash years ago as well. He could barely walk after that crash with a car during training. So to see Egan recover, come back to a level that allowed him to participate in the world's greatest cycling races, and now to win the championship title on 2 occasions, that's simply unbelievable.
E mais uma equipa, Alpecin de Keurig, é a próxima formação, é mais uma vez a marcar presença em Portugal e na Figueira da Foz.
Looking indeed at the complete Alpecin de Keurig team representing Italy at 27 years of age. Please welcome Milan native, first-time participant, Luca Vergalito. And going up to Belgium for single riders here, he's 25. He was born in Leuven, 19th in 2023. That's the inaugural edition of the race, but he was here last year as well. Please welcome Stan van Tricht. We're going to stay in Belgium with the Herentals, born 35-year-old third on the Étoile de Bessèges, third on the Tour of Taiwan. Please welcome Jimmy Janssen. Dipping over to Germany now to say hello to the man aus Berlin. He's going to be a first-time participant of the race, the king of the mountains for the Tour of Romandy last season, Yuri Holman. Next to Yuri, a man who's already focused on the task at hand, the Antwerp-born 29-year-old. He's a third-time participant in the contest, always in the top 20. And remember his win on the Tour of the Basque Country last year, finishing second in Liège-Bastogne-Liège in 2022. Please welcome Quinten Hermans. We're going over to Slovenia to say hello to a Novo Mesto-born first-time participant of the race, a former national individual time trial champion in the under-23 category, Gal Glivar. And over to Austria to say hello to bid number 31, 25 years of age, third on the Brussels Cycling Classic, second-time participant at the Figueira Champions Classic Casino Figueira, Tobias Bayer. Gentlemen, thank you so much indeed. It'd be great to see you out there. And once again, Quinten Hermans. He's silent now, but he just might be violent later today on the roads. Indeed, second place on Liège-Bastogne-Liège back in 2022. It's going to be great to see what Alpecin could come up with today.
É verdade, é uma equipa que também hoje pode ter uma palavra a dizer, e a próxima formação é a formação que já venceu a clássica da Figueira. Este ano não conta com Remco Evenepoel para as razões subejamente conhecidas. A próxima formação, Soldado Quick-Step.
Soudal Quick-Step, indeed, minus one of the key elements of the team, the defending champion, who will not be able to become the first two-time winner of the contest, not this year. Anyway, as we get ready to take a look at the make, the 7 riders for Soudal Quick-Step, already 5 wins since the start of the 2025 season. Let's welcome, representing Belgium, a former stage winner on the 4 Jours de Dunkerque. Please welcome Laura Vangaloo. Staying in Belgium now to say hello to a 24-year-old. He is the Super Lieutenant of Remco Evenepoel, former winner of the Deutschland Tour, 4th on the Tour of Romandy. Please welcome Ilan van Wilder. We stay in Belgium to say hello to a 30-year-old first-time participant on the race, second at the Circuit Franco-Belge in 2022, stage winner of the Tour de Fjord. Please welcome Dries van Gesten. As we dip over to the Czech Republic to check in, no pun intended, with a 21-year-old first-time participant of the race, second place at the World Championships in the under-23 category in Zurich. Please welcome Martin Schwebczek. Heading up to France, as we say hello to a 20-year-old French rider here discovering the contest, stage winner days ago at l'Étoile de Bessèges. Please welcome Paul Manier. Going up to Belgium again to say hello to a stage winner on the roads of the Tour de France in Copenhagen. He took away the time trial, wore the yellow jersey. He won in Grisson on the roads of the Vuelta a España, former national road racing champion, two-time national individual time trial champion, third on Paris-Roubaix. His name, Yves Lampart. Say hello to bib number 1, representing Belgium at 22 years of age, two-time stage winner on the Giro Next Gen, 9th on the Deutschland Tour, first-time participant of the race. Please welcome Gil Gelders. Thank you so much, guys. Soudal, quick step on deck here as well. The defending champions team without the defending champion Remco Evenepoel. Unfortunately, the two-time Paris 2024 Olympic champion in the road race and the individual time trial, not able to come back here and try to defend his title. Not this year.
Soudal, quick step, uma equipa que naturalmente vem à procura também da vitória. E falta-nos fechar, para fechar a apresentação das equipas. A formação OAE Team Emirates será aquela que vai fechar a apresentação. E que espetáculo é já verificar esta avenida completamente cheia, o público a aderir e naturalmente que durante todo o traçado da prova iremos ter milhares e milhares de pessoas. Vai ser mais um dia espetacular, está a ser um dia espetacular de ciclismo aqui na Figueira da Foz. As emoções estão ao rubro, vai ser naturalmente uma prova toda ela disputada, recordando que a chegada final está prevista para um pouco depois das 5 da tarde, depois de um carrossel autêntico que os atletas vão encontrar, principalmente a partir da segunda parte. Está a tarde a chegar já com todos esses aplausos naturalmente do público português, tal como também o João Almeida. Daqui a pouco irá subir a formação OAE Team Emirates.
Well, I think indeed the crowd pop tells the story already with the team not even on stage, and already everyone ready to make some noise. And we have two Portuguese riders in the team indeed as they get ready to join us now. And what a window of opportunity it is for one of these riders who is seen, rightfully so, as a clear-cut favorite for the win out here in Figueira da Foz this afternoon. Perhaps it could be a defining moment in his career as we get ready to welcome these riders as we line them up for the official rider presentation during the sign-on here. Ladies and gentlemen, they've won 6 events so far since the start of the 2025 season. Please welcome on stage, representing Italy at 19 years of age, a first-time participant, eyasu. As we work our way up the ranks indeed, heading over to Denmark to say hello to a 25-year-old rider discovering the race 5th on his national tour, the Tour of Denmark. Please welcome Julius Johansson. Heading over to Österreich to say hello and greet der Mann mit einem Plan. He's 31 years of age, discovering the race this year, 9th on the Vuelta, 2nd on the Deutschland Tour, former winner of the Tour of Turkey, Felix Großschaffner. On va aller du côté de la France quand même, saluer la relève française. Il n'a que 19 ans, he's 19 years old. He is a Toulouse-born first-time participant. Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez accueillir Hugo Fabry. 19 years of age and already taking to the test. Moving our way up to Switzerland now at 20 years of age, a winner of the Trofeo Calvia. Only days ago, 2nd on Milano-Torino. Please welcome Jan Christen. All right, thank you so much for coming by. Oh, wait, there are 2 more here. 2 more riders to go. Ladies and gentlemen of Figueira da Foz, as we get ready to welcome the pride of Portugal. Rider number 1, at 21 years of age. He finished 15th last year, 5th on the Tour of Flanders, 2nd on the Grand Prix Sama. He is one of the hot favorites for the W for the win today. Figueira da Foz, please welcome Antonio. The same this afternoon to celebrate Antonio Morgado's victory? That's the question. But before we take to the official start line and release the world's greatest riders, please welcome on stage, representing Portugal at 26 years of age, a first-time participant in the contest, stage winner on the Giro d'Italia, finishing on the podium of the Giro, 4th place on the Tour de France 2024, a former Portuguese national road racing champion, and two-time Portuguese national individual time trial champion, ladies and gentlemen, João
Emocionante sentir este apoio do povo. Uma bela corrida. António, bom dia. O João diz que vão fazer uma bela corrida. E tu?
Sim, acho que também, ao menos vamos tentar e
É um percurso talhado à tua medida?
é a minha muito.
Boa sorte. António Morgado, João Almeida, formação que acaba de ser apresentada. Olé, teve estão assim apresentadas as 23 equipas. Os atletas que daqui a pouco irão para a linha de partida para darmos então início a esta terceira edição da Figueira Champions Classic. Obrigado a todos por terem vindo à Figueira da Foz.
Well, looking indeed at the clock, we have about 8 minutes or so to go before the official start of the third edition of the race. Lewis, we're going to work our way down to the official start line now to live a moment of indeed as we get together with the Portuguese fans in attendance here and to celebrate the sport of cycling out here in Figueira da Foz for the third edition of the Figueira Champions Classic Casino Figueira. And all the riders that we've introed, indeed, there are a lot of big names on Planet Cycling, and there are a lot of riders we look forward to seeing what they're going to be able to muster throughout the day. The weather conditions playing a part all through this process here as well. Talking and joking with some of the riders about the rainy conditions, how that's going to be one of the tasks they're going to have to tackle for the day.